When you know someone is coming to visit your office, whether it's 2 days or 2 hours before their visit, you can give them a VIP experience by sending an Envoy invite.
Creating a new invite consists of filling out a digital form. First, go to Visitors, Invites, and click on New Invite. Select your invite's location. By default, your current location will be shown. You can only invite visitors to locations you have access to. Select the visitor type. Depending on the visitor type, your invite may change to require approval. You'll then provide the visitor's arrival date and time. If this is a recurring visitor, you can set the invite to repeat. Set the end date for the recurrence. Enter the visitor's full name and email address. Under Visitor Email Address, you'll have the option to send an invite email. Since you're creating the invitation, your name will be listed under Host. You can change this or add additional hosts if you won't be the person hosting the visitor. Any custom sign-in fields added by your admin team will be shown next. Any fields left empty will need to be filled out by the visitor as part of their registration process. Once you've filled out your sign-in fields, click Invite. For invites that require approval, you'll need to click Submit for approval. Once an invite is created, it will appear in the invites log, where it's visible to any Envoy admin. You can view and/or edit the invite by clicking on it.